Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Stella Fashion. How are you? I hope you are so well. Today's video about hidden face selfie poses ideas for girls. You can easily choose the beautiful poses for your selfies. How you can click your selfies with different poses and different DP'Z collection you can easily choose from this video. Watch video till end and choose the ideas according to your choice. You can take the selfies and different DP'Z easily save in your gallery from this video and set on your social accounts, WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook, Snapchat, different social accounts, DP'Z you can choose easily from this video. I hope you like these ideas. If you like these ideas, then you appreciate me on my efforts by subscribing my channel, by liking my video and sharing my video with friends and family members. Friends, these are very different and very beautiful hidden face DP'Z ideas I have brought for you in this video. Tell me in comment section if you like these ideas. I am waiting your comments. Your comments is very important for me. And also friends, you can choose the ideas about different collection DP'Z, profile pictures, wallpapers and different collection you can choose easily. If you want videos and ideas and DP'Z collection according to your choice, then you tell me in comment section. I will make a similar video and present it in front of you. You can easily watch videos and get ideas about your choice. Now friends, we meet in next video with different idea and different video. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care. Goodbye.